going on with the OBS, but first we're gonna get this bedliner done. There's Alex.
So what's next? What's next on the, what's the plan?
For the GMC truck, we're gonna be putting the...
Explain why the bumper don't work.
I bought a freaking engine stand. Show the audience the V8 that I got. Because literally we have to move this truck and that truck in order to take out this beautiful baby right here. What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going to be doing a bedliner on this OBS. We're going to talk a little bit more about what's going on with the OBS, but first we're going to get this bedliner done. Stay tuned. All right, guys, so this bedliner is already scratched up. We're going to do a little bit more on scruffing it down, then putting some acetone. We're going to blow all the debris out and then start doing what we have to do. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so what I was telling him is that when we're putting on the tape right up here, we have to leave it in the middle. We have to lift it up from the middle. But when we put the plastic all around, we're going to put it on there. We're going to put the plastic right underneath. It'll be holding the plastic down while we're bedlining it. We just got that side done, this side done. Now we're going to get this side. Prepping is the only thing that really kind of takes most of the time, but as soon as we get it prepped, all we have to do is put the bedliner on it and should be ready. Alright, you can do the other side. So basically I'm doing half, he's doing half. I'm teaching him because he never actually has done this. So he's learning. This is the first time he's actually doing this. I don't really remember how many trucks I did, but I did a lot. So I already know exactly what to do when it comes to doing bedlining. It's pretty fun just teaching somebody. He's not the first one I taught. I did teach a couple of people back over there at Dark Knight Specialties. I decided to do it over here for the bedliner here because it's already here. So I said, why not? We're gonna do the bedliner here at Exclusive Collision. I just can't wait till the end results, and man, it's raining hard today. Look at that. Typical Houston, raining 1 second and dry as hell the next minute. It is cold today. Welcome back, you guys. So today is the next day. I didn't really record what the bedliner looked like yesterday because the light was too low. So today we're going to show you guys how the bedliner turned out, and it came out beautiful. Hey, ¿cómo estás? ¿Estás bien? Simón. Should I show them the bedliner?
Yeah.
Damn, look at that bedliner, bro. Wow, feels so good. We decided not to the bedliner on the top right here because the paint looks so beautiful, and I feel like because this bed is like old school with this type of bed, we just decided to put the bedliner right here because I do like the way it looks, just like a box with just looking inside. It's just a bedliner. I don't know how exactly I can explain that properly, but yeah, you guys can see what I'm talking about. Me, calling me, telling me that they want me to start doing more videos. And honestly, the reason why I've been like posting sometimes is because I know you guys just want to see the builds and that's all you guys are focused on, but it does take time. Oh yeah, I'm sorry, I gotta talk about the OBS, but right now I'm gonna go to Alex's shop, talk to him more about it. There's Alex. Alright guys, we're gonna talk a little bit more about the OBS with Alex. I know you guys have been wondering. I'm already working on it, and you guys are probably already guessing, oh, he already has it, he bought it or something. Well, we'll give you the final answer. But I was gonna work on Little Blue. You're busy right now, so I think I was just gonna go. I was gonna work on Little Blue on the rotors, but you're busy right now, so.
Alright, bro.
But plus it gives me an excuse to go all the way to Pasadena and pick up transmission. But I'm gonna go to Velocity and check out something else that I wanted to tell the people, but I might as well. I'm gonna try to like record as much as I can. People want vlogs.
That's what you gotta do. Yeah. The GMC people want to see the update on the 6.0, man.
I'm gonna work on it, but it takes time. That's why I don't post every day. But I'm gonna start to like post the background behind the scenes.
So what's next? What's next on the? What's the plan?
Still gotta work on Little Blue. I gotta go show the audience what I have over there at Velocity. I never really told anybody yet. I'm gonna go with my friend and show them the race truck that we're building. Yeah, that's one thing I didn't really tell. I was gonna actually wait for that one, but people want to see, and I'm trying to post as much as I can. Things don't happen overnight. For the GMC truck, we're gonna be putting the bumper on there, and we are going to take out the motor, take it to Velocity. And
explain why the bumper don't work.
It's a HD bumper. We gotta
lower down the brackets,
lower down the brackets, cut, and put it on there. And,
yeah, that's why it doesn't have a, because it has the HD grip too.
But then we have to take the motor out so we can replace the gaskets from behind, stuff like that. And what else? I have a lot of more.
What's next after that? What's your plans after that one?
Well, we're still talking a little bit more on the OBS, but we're not gonna give them. I'm not gonna give you guys a direct answer right now. Still planning things.
Trying to plan your finances.
Trying to get everything organized.
Sure.
But yeah, shout out to Alex for always having my back.
Camera.
For always having my back. And oh yeah, what about your giveaway? What's going on with your giveaway?
We're gonna announce the winner on Sunday. Yep, and that's it, man.
Okay.
No more giveaways.
No more giveaways.
No more, man. That's it.
This is pain in the ass, ain't it?
It's not easy. It's everybody thinks it's
easy. Everybody thinks being a YouTuber is
easy.
No,
man.
Doing a giveaway is harder too.
Everything takes consistency. So everything that you have to be, you got to be on it, like on it. So that's why people, you know, don't record as much, because they're not on it. People, I respect everybody, every YouTuber.
Well, my battery's about to die, so wrap it up.
I respect everybody's grind, so, but you know, that's not me. I gotta stick to one thing, and that's it. Stick to one thing.
One thing about me is that it's hard. I'm editing, shooting, planning things, trying to get money organized, and pain in the ass. Being a YouTuber, you literally have to dedicate yourself. If you're gonna be a YouTuber, you're gonna have to be dedicated to what you're doing.
You're gonna do giveaways, you gotta dedicate yourself.
So this is the first one, so it's just been giving me a headache, learning everything
right off the bat. I already gave you the tip, so you can't fail on that one.
You've been helping out a lot. Helping out
way you
tips and tricks.
You ship everything as everything is ordering. You ship them, and then boom.
Yeah.
That way people are entered right away.
What's up, guys? So because of all the traffic, they're already closed. So yeah, they're already closing right now, so I'll come tomorrow so I can show you guys the motor, because we'll just come back tomorrow so I can show you guys the motor 5.3 and talk about little details. Oh, I'm sorry, I just gave it away. Yeah, I have a motor over here, 5.3, that I've never really posted on the vlogs because I don't want people talk. I'm already moving fast, so we'll see how everything turns out. But yeah, Little Blue is almost there with the V8. I've just been literally taking my time and getting all the parts that I need. I still got a little bit of missing parts, but we're almost there. What is up, you guys? Well, I'm back over here at Velocity Shop, and guess what I bought because of this special day? I bought a freaking my very first engine stand. Shit's getting real. So right now, at the moment, we're going to be opening this box and putting it all together using my Harbor Freight tools. We're probably gonna get the motor over here. We're just waiting for the guy to come and help us out, bring the motor inside. Velocity, Russell, what you doing? Because it's cold. This thing is pretty heavy. using this tool right here. I don't have to look around the shop. I already have this tool right here. So that toolbox is very useful. I am not complaining if it's not snap-on. As long as it does the job. If it breaks, well, I mean, they're cheap enough to buy again, so.
You're recording?
My camera.
You got games?
It's my very first engine stand. All right, here we go. Wow. Do we really need the manual? Alright guys, not bad for my first engine stand build. So it looks like the guy's here, but today's a Friday, so at the moment he wants to go race, and I was like, you know what, it's Friday, let's go do some cool stuff. So right now we're gonna go to a shop. It's literally across Velocity shop that he's selling me the 5.3 motor that I have from him. So I'm already done paying him off with that motor, my hard working money. We're gonna go on the other side across, because this shop is on the other side of from Velocity. This is the main guy actually selling me the 5.3 motor. We're gonna transport it over there during the weekend, but I just want to show you guys what I'm looking at the moment. There's little Blue. Ooh, she's about to get a V8. This is the truck they're actually gonna be running over there at the track. Can't wait to actually be out there and running with you guys.
What's up, bro? We're about to go to the track to test it real quick.
Yeah, testing soon for tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, what's it called? Tomorrow's truck
Nationals.
Truck Nationals. All right, guys, let me show you guys the motor. Because literally we have to move this truck and that truck in order to take out this beautiful baby right here, 5.3. She already has, Russell already has the manifold over there. We have the wire for harness for it. We got everything. I already have my accessories over there at Exclusive. So we're just gonna transport this motor to Velocity during the weekend. And I don't really want to spoil the surprise, but if I'm dedicated to build a V6 to be fast, what makes you think I won't do the same thing with i3? I just can't leave it stock, especially knowing the type of person I am. We can't leave it stock. I mean, the V6 was a little stock, but I mean, shit, I added a nitrous turbo tune and all this crazy. Thank you, man.
All right.
Thank you for helping me out. Get this motor. Kind of leave right now to the track, huh?
Yeah.
You're cold, aren't you?
Just poquito.
One day I'll be able to buy Mac tools. I don't know which one's better, Mac tools or Snap-on. Let me know in the comments below what tools should I try to start doing a collection with later on down the line, because I'm still on a budget. Can I borrow this real quick? I'm gonna give my engine stand the first scratch. I don't think you guys can see it, but I put my name on there. Omar LS2. See that? It says Omar LS2. I don't think you guys can see it, but those are my very first scratches for my first engine stand. It's a first for a lot of things at the moment for me. Yeah, guys, we're gonna call it a day. Here we go.